We knew it was only a matter of time before Tallyn apindura mushure mekuona those viral wedding photos of her ex-husband Knox and his new wife. Pano panonzi pano, ndapota kana iri first time yako kuva pano, baya apo pakanzi subscribe, wolaika nekushare video rino iri. Izvi zvinotibatsira kuti risvike kure. Well, Tallyn apindura Knox by finally revealing her new man, aposta video. So after months and months of teasing us with pictures of her mystery man, akavhara face yemurume uyu nema emoji, Tallyn has decided to let the cat out of the bag. Social media users were quick to react to the reveal, and let's just say the comment section was on fire. So first comment yanyorwa kunzi, Tallyn wapiwa pressure ka ukafunga kutiratidza, if kurwadziwa was a person, Knox arwadza vanhu. Second comment yobva yanzi, ndizvo hazvo, but pafe mukomana atora ambuya vake, but chembere mukadzi. And then pazoitawo comment yandipedza, hanzi, Tallyn wanga uchine hope yekuti Knox anogona kudzoka, then boom, marriage. Mumwewo ndiye aratidza kuva netsitsi achipa mazano uye rutsigiro kuna Tallyn panguva ino yemanzwiro. Anyora kuti, Tallyn, this was not necessary. I know how you are feeling, sending love. Dai wambodzima phone yako because emotions are still high right now. Breathe in and breathe out. Switch off all your socials. Bite a chocolate. Soak yourself in a tub. Then come back. Honestly, that's some good advice. But let's be real. When emotions are running high, especially after seeing your ex move on so publicly, things can get a little intense. However, revealing your new man just after those wedding photos, social media will always read into it as pressure. Tallyn, we are happy you found someone new, and we hope this chapter brings you peace and happiness. But as we always say, social media never forgets. Tread carefully, handle things with grace, and most importantly, focus on your happiness rather than reactions. Thank you for tuning in to Panon's Panel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the juiciest updates on your favorite celebrities. Until next time, Ndapota, stay safe and stay kind on those comment sections.